Thank you guys so much for 1 subscriber. You guys have been with me since day 1, and I think it's about time that we do a giveaway. So this is what we're going to be giving away. This Mac laptop, this iPad, and that Kindle. And that Mento. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to get emotional. Oh my goodness. Oh, someone's at the door. What do you want? Package. What took you so long? I was playing World of Warcraft.
Totally gnarly, dude.
Finally. I had to tie my shoes. Now sign here, here, and here. Wow, package. I hope this is what I think it is. Oh. Yo. I got bubble wrap. What in the world is this? Oh, I get it. It's to protect the bubble wrap. Okay. And this? What is this? What does that say? Thank you for your hard work and dedication. From YouTube. Yo, this must be my 1 subscriber play button. Yo. Is this... Charmin Ultra Strong? That's quality toilet paper right there. And check this out. Man, this feels like real cardboard too. They even got the scotch tape on the back. They went all out on this. Josh Olson, congratulations on passing 1 subscriber. Man, it's even signed from YouTube. This is incredible, guys. I am not disappointed at all with this. Thank you guys so much. Wow, guys, I'm just so happy with how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for 1 subscriber, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm just going to hang this up on my wall. Peace. Wow.